Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. This is trigonometric identities we're looking at, and here we have a problem with us where we're supposed to prove that 2 cosec x is equal to sine x over 1 plus cos x plus 1 plus cos x over sine x. Alright, so here what we're going to do is, as we know where proving of identities is concerned, you pick a side, work with that side, and that is meaning we simplify it. The end result should be what is on the other side. So looking at the case we have here, we are working with the the right hand side, sorry. We're working with the right hand side, which is sine x over 1 plus cos x, then plus 1 plus cos x over sine x. Okay, so this is what we have. We have this first fraction, which is sin x over 1 plus cos x, and the second fraction, which is numerator 1 plus cos x, denominator sin x. Now, how do you go about it? As we know, we need to express this as a single fraction, meaning that we need to come up with a common denominator. Common denominator here will just be the product of this first denominator together with that one, which is our second denominator. So this is 1 plus cos x times sine x. Alright, so how do you go about it? We'll get this denominator, which is 1 plus cos x, divide it into this. Now what will happen is, being like this is similar to this, is the same, so it will cancel. We'll be left with sin x. This sin x we have, it will be multiplied with the numerator. Now we have sin x times sin x, and our result is sine squared x. Alright, then we say plus sin x into this, our denominator, it will cancel the sin x. We'll be left with 1 plus cos x. This 1 plus cos x will come and multiply with this one. As you can see, they are the same. They're multiplying twice, repeatedly, which therefore means that we'll have this squared. Like this. Alright? So that's how you can do it. Now, what's the next step? It is to simplify this. Now, this that we have in parentheses, 1 plus cos x, and square outside the brackets, means that we have 1 plus cosine of x times 1 plus cosine of x. And you know how to expand? We multiply the first part with everything in. So say 1 plus 1, it is 1 squared, which is the same as 1, plus 1 times cos x will be cos x, plus, we now come to the second part of the first binomial. So we have cosine of x times 1 to be cosine of x, then plus cos x times cos x. This is cos squared x. Right, now what we have, these two here are like terms and next to each other, and this will just give us 2 cosine of x, then plus cos squared of x. So this part we have will be a substitute for this that we have in parentheses squared. So we'll write first part sine squared x, then plus, for everything we have in brackets, this is what it becomes. So write this, substituting that. So we have 1 plus 2 cosine of x plus cos squared x. Then not forgetting that this is being divided by our denominator here, which is 1 plus cos x, and then there's sin x. Okay, from identities, we need to understand that if we have the square of sine and the square of cos, they add this together, the result is 1. So we can add this to that. So we'll have sine squared of x plus cos squared of x. Then we have plus 1 here, then plus 2 cos x divided by 1 plus cos x multiplied with sin x. Okay. Sin squared x plus cos squared x gives us a 1, then plus 1 here, plus 2 cos x, let's say over 1 plus cos x multiplying with sin x. Okay, add the 1 plus 1 gives us 2 plus the other part which we have, which is 2 cos x over our denominator, which is 1 plus cos x multiplied with sin x. Okay, on the numerator 2 is common, so it will be factorized. When factorized, 2 here will be left with 1, then you'll be left with cos x. Then we say over 1 plus cos x multiplying with sin x. Now, we notice that the numerator, everything in parentheses is the same as the part on the denominator itself. So these 2 will cancel and we'll have 2 over sin x. Okay. Now, we know to say 2 over sin x can still be written as 2 multiplied by 1 over sin x, still, since it can still go back to that. And what you need to understand is that if you have 1 over sine, you simply obtain cosec x, and this therefore simplifies to 2 times of cosecant x. And if you still have reference of our question, this is what we have on the left hand side, and this therefore means that our identity has been proven. Thank you very much for watching. Please consider subscribing to our YouTube channel. See you in the next video.